Photo-Tex is an adhesive polyester material that is printable, removable, and will stick to virtually any surface. It can be easily removed, reused, and repositioned without leaving behind any tacky residue. Application or usage. Photo-Tex adhesive fabric can be effortlessly applied to a variety of indoor and outdoor applications, including windows, doors, signboards, fabric, and even on curved surfaces. It doesn't remove paint from a primed wall. It is safe to apply over wallpaper and also applies without wrinkles and does not rip. A few things to consider before getting your Photo-Tex. Photo-Tex is a removable adhesive that will never leave behind any gooey residue. It can be used numerous times without losing its stickiness. Due to its more narrow gamut, it is not recommended for very detailed artworks or art reproduction. It is also water resistant and can be applied without annoying air bubbles between the wall sticker and the surface. As such, Photo-Tex is a practical choice for office signs, posters, and many other DIY projects. Here is an example of where Photo-Tex can be applied. As you can see, it can be applied to round surfaces seamlessly. It can also be easily removed and later reused. Even with rough handling, the polyester material makes it difficult to tear apart the print. Photo-Tex can be applied on top of each other and can also be rearranged into collages onto walls. The possibilities are endless. The adhesive polyester material allows the print to be reused numerous times without losing its stickiness. To reuse the print, simply stick the adhesive back onto the cover and protect the adhesive from dust particles. To reapply, remove the print from the cover and apply to the desired surfaces. To order online and for more information, visit us at usaoncanvas.com.